Can you share the story of how Lee went from being a co-founder of LinkedIn to becoming a venture capitalist? Or sorry, let's
Oh,
start from the beginning. PayPal, LinkedIn. Can you tell us a story?
it actually happened with a chance encounter with Elon Musk. Because Elon Musk is a alumnus of Wharton,
Hmm.
Lee and his senior classmates were also invited to dine with Elon Musk. He attended the dinner, but he was late. The only seat left was, guess who? Next to. So Mr. Musk asked Lee if he had a job already lined up, and when Lee answered in the negative, he said, send me your resume. So after that dinner, as soon as Lee got back to his dorm, he sent his resume right away. Lee, when he woke up the next morning, had a job offer for what was called then X.com.